What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Damon's 3D Prints. I'm Damon, where I discuss all my 3D printing projects and maybe help you along the way. Today, we are printing the sleeping Pikachu. Alright, let's get right into it. So I grabbed the files from Thingiverse, and once I sliced them up, I printed them on my Centauri Carbon by Elegoo. As you can see for yourself, the results came out amazing. I didn't do any post-processing, I went straight into paint. Starting off with its back and its tail, I went in with the brown acrylic paint with a matte finish. For Pikachu's cheeks, I went in with the red acrylic paint. For the eyes and Pikachu's nose, I went in with the dark ultra black. Hopefully, that'll give Pikachu a little pop. I taped off some features of his face just so I didn't want the paint to smear.
Good. We'll think we can benefit the cats. Might be far more violent than yours.
For the eyes and nose, I went in with the squeeze bottle. It just helps a little bit better. Hey, if you got a brush and it works for you, go ahead and use it. For his ears, I went in with the same ultra black. I gave everything 2 coats, and just like that, Sleeping Pikachu is done. No post-processing, and I gave everything 2 coats. Look at this little guy. You can take him anywhere. Shh, don't wake him. If you've seen the previous video with the smiling Pikachu, this build is the same way. Now, where should I put him? Should I go up there next to a little buddy? Let's see how it looks. Is it too crowded up there? Let me know what you think. If you like this build, follow for more.